Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel The Beauty Company. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sanchari. A big hug to everyone whoever is watching my videos, and today I have created this gold cut crease eye look using my Wet n Wild VI Purple palette, which I've already reviewed on my channel. So if you want to watch the review and the swatches and the demo, then please click the I button here. Also, my full face of makeup was already done when I was filming the eye look, so that I will save on some time. So yes, without any further rambling, let's jump into this video. So from the Wet n Wild VI Purple palette, I would like to use this gold shade. This gold shade is calling my name out, and the day I swatched this shade, I was like, I want to do an eye look using just this gold. So today I am here, want to do a gold cut crease eye look. Let's see how it turns up, because I have not planned anything except I want just the gold on my lid. So yes, I have already primed my eyes, and now we shall start with the eyeshadow look. Starting off with, I will take this ashy brown shade and I will use this very lightly on my crease. Let me zoom you guys in a bit so that y'all can see what I'm doing. So yes, let's get started. So let's do this. Pressing the color first, and then I will blend the edges. Now I will take this shade from the palette and I will use this to deepen out my transition shade. The swatches and the demo for these palettes are already up on my YouTube channel, so I'll mention the link on the I button here so that you guys can have a look and refer my video if you would like to purchase it or not. Very nicely I will blend the color so that there is no harsh lines and it looks seamless. I will build up the shade until I am happy with the color intensity. So now I will take a pointy tapered brush like this, and I will take this shade, this brown kind of shade, and I will define my inner corner, taking it very little by little. Packing the color first, and then I will blend it. Not going all the way towards my crease, just concentrating and focusing here on this part, on the outer corner, building up the color payoff very little by little. And slowly by slowly I'll drag the color towards my inner corner. Whatever is left, I haven't taken any extra product. Whatever is left on the brush, I'm dragging it towards my inner corner and to the entire crease area. So now I'll take the same old brush and I will blend all the colors together. Now it's time to cut my crease. If you want, you can do this without a cut. I'm sorry, I'm fumbling a lot today. If you want, you can do it as it is. Just apply the gold shade onto your lid and deepen the inner corner and merge both the colors, but I want to do a cut crease and see how the intensity is. So I'll do my cut crease and I shall meet you soon again. Alright, so my crease is already cut, and now let's use this gold shade. Okay, so this is what I achieved without spraying my brush. I shall spray my brush and see how this performs. I'll use my Wet n Wild spray. So this is what we achieved after spraying my brush. Now I'll use my fingertips and see what wonders it does. This one looks more vibrant than this side. Now I'll take my brush and I will blend the two edges so that it looks blended. Now let's do the lower lash line. So for lower lash line, I use the same shade and then I will blend with this shade. So this is what we have come up with. If you want, you can leave this as it is and go with a mascara, but today I want to go a little extra, little overboard. So I will line my eyes, use some mascara and some falsies. So let's do that. Time to apply some mascara, and before applying a mascara, what I'll do is I will curl my lashes first, and for the mascara I am using the Balm Cosmetics Scuba Mascara. Okay, so I applied some falsies and I'm wearing Ardell Wispies lashes. So now it's time for the lipstick. You can go with a nude color lipstick, but I think we will go with little bold. I'm using my Maybelline Intense Color Crayon in the shade Bold Burgundy. So guys, here is the finished eye look which I have created with Wet n Wild VI Purple palette, this gold cut crease. And if you like this look, you know what you have to do. So please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel and share it amongst your friends and family so that they are aware of my channel and even they get to learn something out of it. So yes, for now I will take your leave and I will see you on my next video. Till then, bye, take care.